Hey guys, kamusta na kayo? So, nandito ako ngayon kay Horcrux. Yes, you heard it right, Horcrux. Pinangalanan nila tong car namin, ang Horcrux. Word siya sa Harry Potter. So, yung mga Potterhead dyan, alam niyo yung meaning ng Horcrux. But anyway, pupuntahan ko ngayon si Love sa office. Susunduin ko siya. We're going to have our routine walk sa Kite Beach. So, yun guys. Update ko kayo kapag kasama ko na si Love. And see you guys later. Katatapos lang namin mag-walk. So, naka 4 to 5 km lang kami kasi magagabi na rin. And we need to go home na for dinner. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Costa for a quick coffee break after namin mag-walk. After our routine walk, we usually go for a coffee shop para magpahinga and to have some coffee. Refreshing. So ayun guys, life update lang sa mga nangyayari ngayon dito sa UAE. Sa mga nagtatanong, sa mga nag-aalala, sa mga nag-message, we're okay here, we're fine. Hindi naman kami naapektuhan ng nangyayaring war ng Iran tsaka Israel. So we're safe here guys, so nothing to worry about. Everything's okay, safe ang UAE. So ayun guys, life update lang. If you have time guys na mag-walk kayo, it's better to start now. Maski hindi nyo makompleto yung 10,000 steps a day, which is recommended na walk per day, mag-walk pa rin kayo guys. Every walk counts. Like, start kayo sa 1,000 steps, 2,000 steps, 3,000 steps. Hanggang sa ma-normalize nyo na yung 10,000 steps a day. Big help siya sa health natin. I encourage you guys to start walking step by step hanggang sa ma-achieve natin yung fitness goals natin. And ayun guys, abangan nyo yung next vlog ko, i-upload ko, which is Tokyo, Japan vlog. You better watch it guys. The best. Yan guys, so see you guys on my next vlog. Bye!